Numerical number 1. Calculate the molecular mass of HNO3, that is nitric acid. When solving numericals, most of the students do this mistake and they don't even realize it. If you write atomic mass of hydrogen as 1 grams or atomic mass of nitrogen as 14 grams, are these statements correct? Not at all, because a single nitrogen atom can't weigh 14 grams. As we know, atom is very small particle. Its mass is not significant, so it could not be calculated in grams. And I already explained this in our previous video. Atomic mass is expressed in AMU. And this is very common mistake which most of the students do. Next time be very careful when solving these numericals. Thank you.